Meet Matt. He was tired of paying excessive repair bills for his European motor at the local dealership, where he kept hearing that his car just wasn't worth fixing and it was better to buy a new one. Then he found us, Active Euroworks. We are a dealership alternative, specialized in European and exotic car repairs from Pflugerville. Our master technicians provide a unique niche service, focusing only on after-warranty exotic and European vehicles. As the preferred dealership alternative in Pflugerville, we use top-of-the-line factory diagnostic tools and always use original parts that maintain the original functionality of your engine. There are other options available to you when looking to get your treasured auto fixed, and we are one of the top local choices because we also offer competitive prices. Be like Matt, an extremely satisfied customer, by calling Active Euroworks today. We will show you the brighter side to getting your car repaired.